Alright, this is a quick how-to video on putting a basic hand railing in. In my case, this is going from my garage to my kitchen. The job took me about 2 hours. I am not a carpenter, but I do know my way around some tools. The materials needed was two 2x3x8s that I bought at Lowe's. They're 5 and some change a piece. Some drywall screws, a saw. I used a circular saw. You could probably use a hand saw if you wanted. And a drill. I pre-drilled the holes, which you'll see in the video before I put the screws in. Length of the railing is 33 inches. The height from here to the floor is 39 inches. The stain used, you'll see in the video, but it was just some leftover stain, and the final process is going to be to put some clear on it. I got a fly flying on my face, which is kind of funny. But if you're a do-it-yourselfer, I recommend you do this. I did this job for safety. I've been putting it off, and I finally got it knocked out. Couldn't find any videos on YouTube, so I made one, and this hopefully will help somebody. Thanks for watching. Rail 1, piece done. It's English coffee. Pretty badass, huh? Oh my gosh, I just cut the second piece of wood for this railing. You know, I'm working on this project for 45 minutes and I've cut 2 pieces of wood. So what I'm doing is, I'm gonna zip this one on. Probably put a third one right here, which I probably don't need. And just run a railing cap on it. Little overhang. Could take me another 3 hours. Almost done. Got this piece and this piece. I'm pre-drilling the holes and using 3-inch coarse threaded drywall screws.
Last one.
Fine craftsmanship. Here's the finished product. Probably about 15 to 20 3-inch screws and 2 2x3x8s. I didn't go with the 2x4. It's as sturdy as it's gonna be. I don't know how I could have made it any sturdier. For the grandpas. Sanded this down. Countersunk these. I may put some wood putty in there just to make it look pretty. Put some paint on it. That's it. That only took me and my wife. How long we work on this? A couple hours. 2 pieces of wood. Let's try that railing out.
Oh, you got that sanded down pretty good.
Yep.
Huh? Oh my goodness, I gotta give Finny his treat. The last one I got.
This is a before video. We're getting ready to stain this railing that I
Hey,
put
Finn!
in for my dad,
What's up?
my father-in-law.
What's up, Finn?
Dad's gonna stain it. This is a before.
What's up, Finny?
This is stage 2. Everything's been taped off. It is dark. Number 2 done. Spindle number 3 done. Final wipe down. That's who taped that off.
Yeah, I did.
That'd be me.
I did.
Finished product for a garage banister. Came out pretty good.
It's the hat.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.